Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to Heart and Teaching, and thank you for sticking around so long. Some of you have asked, where have I been? I haven't posted any videos and teacher tips, tricks, tutorials, and that's because my number one recommendation is taking time away from the curriculum and from education as a whole sometimes, and just stepping back. Focusing on some simple things in life that we take for granted, just being outside, being with my family. I hope everyone else is doing well and taking care of themselves. My goal for developing the channel is just to share things as I learn them with you. And lately, I've been using my TikTok at CareBear811Leo to just share like garden tips. I did have some classroom tips at the end of the school year, but most importantly, I've been counting down until summer, and it's here, and I'm stoked and I'm excited, and I've been to the beach several times, and I can only hope that everyone is taking time for the self-care that you deserve and that we all deserve. And it's simple. It shouldn't cost a thing. Sometimes just make sure you're getting outside, staying hydrated, as I of course need my coffee. But other than that, everything has been great. I've been spending time with my daughters, my kids, and it just feels superb. So please stick around, continue to subscribe to Heart and Teaching, follow me, because I promise that when I stumble across something, whether it's in the classroom or even outside the classroom, I will share it with you, whether it's on TikTok, Instagram, at Running on Cafe 811. I will share it with you. And please make sure to take time for yourself. Continue to subscribe to Heart and Teaching, and I will share all those good things with you. Before the end of this video, I do have something to share with you though, because I am, as I just said, step away from the classroom, right? So I have a little bit of time to myself, and I'm sitting in the Dollar Tree parking lot because it was just a quiet morning. We went to the beach, we're cleaning out the attic, doing all the house stuff, and I went into Dollar Tree, and whoa. Dollar Tree right now, if you are thinking about a theme for your classroom or just organization in general, has obviously great prices. Some are a little over $1, but the shelves have been stocked. I don't usually shop in July, obviously, so that must be why. I'm usually a late to that party. I'm an August shopper usually, but this theme that I'm using this year is going to be like an elephant and piggy theme. Friends that, they can be friends and they look different. They stick together through the humor, the fails, the successes, all of those funny things with Elephant and Piggy. So that's my theme. Dollar Tree has amazing things. So I'm going to add it to the end of this video, some of the snippets and the footage that I took in the Dollar Tree. So stick around, and I'm going to put that video right after this. Here we go. So you think this is a regular folder? It's not. You open, and there's one little one stuck in the middle. Perfect for reading logs. Left side, keep it home. Right side, complete and return. I love this. It's a lot of really cute stuff.